Hello all. Today I'm here to demonstrate a finding from a recent usability test of Indeed, the online networking service for professionals. The search, job, and save features on Indeed is extremely usable and makes the job application process simple and seemingly effortless. While Indeed did not score as well as LinkedIn by comparison overall, this specific feature scored better and proves to be more usable. After logging on to Indeed, in the top left corner of the homepage is the Find Jobs tab. Once this is clicked, these what and where search bars will pop up. So you input a job title, we'll say mechanical engineer, and then if we'll put in a location, we want to say, for example, Boise, Idaho, and then we hit find jobs. Hundreds of jobs will show up below, and from there you can pick whatever job you would like to apply for. You can read the details, or you can save it for later. So these two options are really nice because you can either apply for the job right now, right here, or if you don't have time right now, you can click save and it'll go to all your other saved jobs. So let's say I wanted to apply for this gas product engineer job, but I don't have time right now. I just hit save, and then whenever I want to come back to it, I go up here and I go to my saved jobs, and there it is. So as you can see, Indeed has made this process simple and effective. Proof of this is shown throughout the recently conducted usability comparison test between Indeed and LinkedIn. While LinkedIn may be overall a more usable service, Indeed provides a quicker way of finding job openings